In an age where sustainability and affordability are paramount, vehicle retrofitment emerges as a beacon of hope for India's transportation challenges. Imagine a scenario where your well-loved scooter is still in sound condition, yet the clamor for modern electric vehicles intensifies due to skyrocketing petrol prices. Rather than indulging in the costly affair of purchasing a brand new electric vehicle, what if you could transform your existing one? This innovative concept, known as vehicle retrofitment, offers a pragmatic solution for embracing clean mobility in an economically viable manner. Understanding the essence of vehicle retrofitment is crucial. It refers to the process of converting petrol or diesel vehicles into electric ones. During this transformation, the traditional engine, fuel tank, and exhaust systems are replaced with an efficient electric motor, a battery pack, and modern charging systems. What remains unchanged is the vehicle's body and chassis, preserving its familiar aesthetics while invigorating it with a clean electric energy source. This approach not only breathes new life into older vehicles but also aligns seamlessly with India's ethos of repair and reuse. The significance of retrofitment cannot be overstated, particularly in light of India's heavy reliance on imported crude oil, which accounts for over 85% of its consumption. The recent geopolitical turmoil in West Asia has thrown this dependence into sharp focus. By promoting initiatives like the FAME scheme and PM E-Drive, the government has certainly made strides in enhancing electric mobility. However, the presence of over 30 crore existing petrol and diesel vehicles on Indian roads poses a significant challenge, as these vehicles will continue to guzzle imported fuels for years. Here, retrofitment stands out as a crucial strategy to bridge the gap between traditional and electric vehicles. The benefits of retrofitting are multifaceted. Firstly, it presents a more affordable alternative to acquiring a brand new electric vehicle, enabling middle-class families to transition to electric mobility without excessive financial strain. Secondly, each retrofitted vehicle contributes to diminished petrol or diesel consumption, thereby enhancing India's energy security and fortifying foreign exchange reserves. Lastly, from an environmental standpoint, retrofitment significantly reduces waste and resource consumption associated with new vehicle manufacturing, promoting a more sustainable and environmentally friendly approach to transportation.